Hi student, see we already learned a reaction with oxygen, metals and non-metals. Okay, in this session we are learning about the reaction with water. See, so many metals is reacting with water and it will form the, it is a base and removing the liberation of hydrogen gas. Metal react with water. First one, it is a metal react with water. Okay. See here, metal react with the water. Metal plus water. Metal plus water. And here is a form the metal hydroxide. See here forming the metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide and removing the hydrogen gas. See, I have to write totally hydrogen gas. See it is a liberation. C means releasing. See here we have to take the metal is a sodium. See we are calling the this is a sodium and react with the oxygen. See we are calling the we are writing the water H2. See this is a water. Okay, here is a forming. See mostly vigorously reacting the sodium with the water. That's why see this sodium element, see metal is storing in the kerosene oil. So it is a more reactive element and this is a soft element also. This is a soft element and here is a forming the sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Okay, see we are writing, see it is a word sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay, see this like metals is reacting with water, but non-metals do not react with water. Second point. See, second point. Non-metals do not react with water. Non-metal do not react with the water. And see we have to see the sulfur is a non-metal. Sulfur do not react with water in fact, and some of the reactive non-metals kept under the water to protect them from the action of air. Some non-metals is a keeping in the water. See because of they do not react with oxygen because it is reacting more with oxygens. And we have to see they catch the fire also in order to, so it is a protection. See phosphorus from atmospheric air, it store in the bottle containing water. Phosphorus is storing in the bottle containing water. Next we have to see the reaction with water. Reaction with water. Okay. Next metal react with acids. Once you have to check your book, that is a given the wrong in your book. Third, see, reaction with water again given. See, you have to correct yourself. Reaction with acids. See, most of the metals react with dilute acid to form the salt and hydrogen gas. See what said? Most of the metals react with see dilute acids and form salt and it is a hydrogen gas. See, for example, we have to see the most of the metals is reacting with acids. For example, we have to see the magnesium. Magnesium react with dilute hydrochloric acid. See, dilute hydrochloric acid, and here form the magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas is a liberating. See, releasing. क्या करना है? ये मैग्नीशियम डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड लेना है टेस्ट ट्यूब में. ओके, ऐसे टेस्ट ट्यूब में लेने के बाद क्या करना है? इसमें मैग्नीशियम मेटल्स लेना है. यहाँ पर अपन मैग्नीशियम मेटल्स ले लिए ऐसे. सी, दिस इज ए मैग्नीशियम मेटल एंड अपन इसमें क्या डाले हैं? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. सी, दिस इज ए HCl. सी, दिस इज ए मैग्नीशियम मेटल. सी, इसमें से जो धुआं निकलता है, सी ये जो है H2 गैस है. H2 गैस. यहाँ पर अपन जो बर्निंग स्टिक लाए हैं, बर्निंग स्टिक लाए तो क्या होता है? वो बुझ जाता है. सी, इट इज गिविंग टू द पॉप साउंड. सी, वी कैन इजीली डिटेक्टिंग द it is releasing the hydrogen gas. Okay, have you understood now? See, magnesium dilute hydrochloric acid से react होने से magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas liberation होता है. Next we have to see the another example also. Next, see zinc. Zinc is there. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid. Say HCl. And here form the ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Okay. Next we have to copper also. Copper react with the H2SO4. देखो, अपने घर में बहुत सारे कॉपर वेसल्स रहते हैं. कॉपर वेसल्स. कॉपर इज ए आल्सो रिएक्टिंग एंड आवर फूड सब्सटेंसेस बिकम ए स्पॉइल. सी, फूड सब्सटेंसेस क्या होते हैं? खराब हो जाती है. सी, आपके अपने घर में बहुत सारे कॉपर वेसल्स है. ओके, वी आर नॉट स्टोरिंग, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग फॉर कुकिंग ऑल्सो. उसमें सांभर बनाए तो क्या हो जाता है? खराब हो जाता है. उसमें जो फूड सब्सटेंसेस रखे तो खराब हो जाते हैं. सी, बिकॉज ऑफ मूव, सी इट इज ए कॉपर ऑल्सो रिएक्टिंग विथ एसिड एंड here form the see copper sulfate and releasing the H2 gas. Next we have to take the aluminium also. Aluminium react with the HCl. See, aluminium also reacting with HCl here is a forming the aluminum chloride plus H2 gas. See here. Okay. See this like number of examples we have to write. Metal react with acids. See, it is a releasing the, this is a salt and this is a, see, this is a salt and this is a hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. See this like number of salt is a forming, and we have to see the non-metal do not react with dilute acid. See here only I am writing non-metals do not reacting with dilute acid. Okay, see we have to see the sulfur, carbon plus acid. So it is a, in the presence of heat also they can't reacting, they can't producing the salt and hydrogen gas, do not produce even heating also. See next reaction with bases. Okay. Say metal react with bases. Okay, here bases. Some metals react with bases to form a salt and hydrogen gas. Here also forming the base metal plus base. Here forming the salt plus hydrogen gas. Here also same is there. Okay, write some examples. Sodium hydroxide is there. Sodium hydroxide, for example, aluminum. Aluminum is a metal plus sodium hydroxide. See, these are, and here is a forming the NaAlO2 plus is a liberating the H2 gas. Here is a sodium aluminate form. Sodium aluminate plus this is a hydrogen gas. Okay, aluminum is a reacting with, see, aluminum लेके सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन में ड्रॉप करें तो क्या होता है, सी सोडियम एल्यूमिनेट फॉर्म होता है. सी हियर some non-metals react with bases like sodium, but see no producing gas. There is no produce the hydrogen gas. It is a reacting, but it doesn't producing the any gas. See non-metals.